Alright crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another video. Hey, so today we're finally at the point and we're starting to wire up the truck. And what we're going to wire the truck with, we're going to use this 22 circuit wiring harness from Speedway Motors, guys. So hey, stay tuned, hang out with me today, and we're going to go over all the parts and what it takes to wire up your hot rod truck. Alright crew, so first, whenever you get your wiring harness, this here is a 22 circuit harness. When you get your harness, it'll be a box inside a box. So let's go ahead and crack this sucker open. And today what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and lay everything out on the table. And we're going to see how it comes. We're going to go over some of the key components of this harness. So you have your receipt here on top. Lay that to the side. And then you actually have your harness here inside another box. So let's go ahead and lay this out. I'm going to open this box up and we're going to go over some parts. Alright guys, so first thing first, what I normally do is I just lay everything out. And also, I always get the instructions. And these instructions are actually labeled. This is page 1 here. And as soon as you get with page 1, you can actually pretty much, if you're not familiar with this kit or whatever, you can just go straight down and identify each of your road components. And at first, it really does look overwhelming, but once you get everything laid out into the truck and stuff, it'll come. You just attack one bundle at a time. So this first bundle, as you come close to the neck of the circuit, the breaker here, you have what you can come here. You got your dimmer connector switch, and also these things are labeled like every, I guess you could say every 4 inches they're labeled. Okay, and so this one here is your battery fuse, your courtesy ground light. That's for the dome light. And you'll see here the gray one. You got your headlight low, the green headlight high. All right, so that would be the dimmer connector switch here. Okay, and this right here basically go right into your dimmer switch, okay, which came in the bag. So the next one here, you see here, we got just, you go down the red light, you got your main power feed. So this is your main power feed, and they also come with a ground. All right, so this right here, you got to make sure you want to ground your harness as well. Okay, and that's why I always put some extra grounds inside the cab. All right, so then here, I already know what this one is. This one here, that's going to be for your accessories. You can go all the way back to the back of the truck with that. So this right here would be a outside circuit, or you can use it on the inside. This one here, you got your okay, so that's your additional accessories. Then you come to the engine compartment. Okay, so this big bundle here, it has your high and low beam. All right, your electric fan. All right, so this right here will go out in the engine compartment. So the next step we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and basically get this set up inside the truck where we got our bracket at, and then we're going to start taking this stuff out and we're going to start laying it out where it goes. All right, so you want to place your harness and also your fuse box, a place where you know you can get to it and stuff. As you guys see, I'm going through the instrument cluster gauge so you guys can see the panel that I actually made, and this should go right up in there very easy with no problem. I've already did my measurements, so let's see here. Alright, put that on there, the nuts. So I already went on ahead and drill me a hole here and put a grommet in it, because you do not want your wires rubbing up against this metal, because it will fret, cause a spark, and you will have all sorts of problems. So anytime you're putting wires through something, make sure you put a grommet. And I've already, as you see here, I'll show you guys, I've already laid out the wires that's going to the front of the cab and all the wires that's going to the back of the cab. So we will fish these wires through that grommet there and put them in the front, and I'll show you. We're going to run the wires going to the cab as a grommet here, underneath here right there, and we'll have these going probably through here and looping it to the back, and then we just have these coming through the fender for the front. All right, crew, so this is where we're at. We already fished everything through the firewall there, going to the front of the cab and the rear of the cab. I just got this here. Like I said, I got a grommet here going up here, so once I put my fender, my radiator and stuff on, these wires go to my turn signals and stuff like that. So and then I already put a wire loom here that's going to my turn signals and my third brake light and stuff that's going to the back of the cab. I put it down there underneath the cab here, and it's gonna come out here in the back, and then I actually put it in the original wire loom spots where it was before. Okay, and that's going to the back of the cab and the back of the frame. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in. We've already started, so everything here you can see that we're gonna just start tying it off to places where it goes. So far I got one bundle of wires that goes to my goes to my cigarette lighter, my clock, and also my windshield wipers, which we fed that one through, and that's gonna go over here. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten up these bundles, and once we get them all nice and neat, I'll turn you guys back on. All right, so we are back, guys, and this is how it looked all tidied up. I got all of my wires going to the prospective points where they're supposed to go. For us here, I got my wires here that's going to the gauges. I got the wires here that's going to my heating unit underneath. This here is going to my ignition switch. Now I have to go ahead and hook up my steering column, because this here, the kit comes with connectors and it goes into your steering column. So I'll probably have to just take these pins out. I've done it before. Take the pins out here and put it in the connector that it came with, and then after that should be done as far as you know, just taking it to where all of the wires go. And then of course now I'll be able to hook everything up. I haven't got my gauges yet, so that I'll have to hook up at a different time. But I do have my ignition switch, which I will go and hook my ignition switch up. I've already hooked my headlight switch up. See that there? And that came with the kit. It was just a plug and play, very simple. I actually had my headlight dome that I ran up through here, and I put it back where it belongs, so everything is good. And I also hooked up my dimmer switch here on the bottom, and that's secure. The carpet to cover that wire up. So everything is looking very sweet, guys. It's looking real clean. Really good job of hiding everything. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to make it short. Hopefully you guys have learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and stuff. And hey, make sure you guys leave comments. Leave lots of comments down below. If you have done the same type of wiring job and you did something different, by all means, write down in the comments so people can see what you guys done differently. So like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.